We must first start off by asking ourselves, what is AI? According to Frankenfield, AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. And it is based on the principle that human intelligence can be defined in a way that a machine can easily mimic it and execute tasks, from the simplest to those that are even more complex. A noteworthy characteristic of AI is that it can rationalize to reach a conclusion in achieving certain objectives whilst making the best possible decisions. This is illustrated predominantly in a specific branch of AI referred to as machine learning, which allows for computer programs without human assistance to automatically learn and adapt to large volumes of unstructured data. Examples where machine learning is utilized are in image and speech recognition, learning associations made between consumer products in the market, and classification of objects into their specific categories. Most of these AI applications will be discussed later when dealing with how both the audit client and auditor implement and utilize these AI applications in performing numerous functions. We now move on to the second important question, which is how can an audit client implement AI in its business? Before answering this question, let us look at a few of the many benefits that AI may offer business, such as increased productivity and operational efficiency, avoidance of human error and mistakes, and lastly, more effective decisions being made from outputs of this technology. Just from these benefits, it can clearly be seen why the audit client would utilize this technology in their company to gain a competitive advantage and not fall behind as we progress through the fourth industrial revolution. As previously mentioned, the client could use AI in their marketing strategies through the implementation of smart searches and automated web design to improve customer experience and segmentation. If the client makes use of online services, virtual assistant programs could be implemented in its system software to assist users and achieve their objectives. A more common use of AI in the manufacturing entity is in their production lines, as this technology could be utilized to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of its operation in identifying below standard items and increase production output. Let us now view a few real-life examples of how this technology is being utilized in practice. The foreign logistics company Cargonex, through AI algorithms, utilizes a self-learning AI system to plan transport routes whilst considering factors such as traffic and weather to reduce shipping delays and idle time. The aviation company Singapore Airlines makes use of machine learning and predictive analytics to identify aeroplane components that are most likely to fail.